Welcome to our channel where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials to enhance your experience with X. In today's video, we will walk you through a full guide on how to lock X with a pin. If you're looking to add an extra layer of security to X and protect your sensitive data, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your device and search for an app called Applock. Tap on Install to download and install it. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the Applock app. Step 3. In the top right corner, tap on the 1, 2, 3 button. Step 4. Enter the desired PIN that you want to use and tap on the checkmark icon. Step 5. Retype the PIN code to confirm it. Step 6. Allow the app to access the necessary permissions it requires. Step 7. Now, within the Applock app, search for X and tap on it to lock it with the PIN you have set. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to lock X with a PIN. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and guides.